Install software/printer drivers. The data cable to the USB interface of the printer. Open the data on the white USB drive. Open the second folder. Open the Epson L800 driver installation package. Click OK. Click OK. Click to accept. Pop-up prompt box and click Install. Driver installation completed. Open the Pro RIP installation package. Click Next. Click to install. Click to repair. Click to close. Click to repair. Click to close. Click Finish to open the program. Click on the IP icon to select the corresponding printer. Choose Epson L800 printer driver. Click on the printer icon to select the corresponding curve file. Set A4 DTF as default. Then click here to open printer preferences. Open the maintenance page. Click on head cleaning. Click Start. The indicator light starts flashing and the ink cart starts moving, indicating that automatic head cleaning is running. The indicator light stops flashing, indicating that the cleaning test has been successfully completed.